Hello, and welcome to Mini Orange. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create custom APIs using the Mini Orange Custom API module. Before we get started, make sure you've downloaded and installed the Drupal Custom API module. You'll find the download link and setup guide in the video description below. Now, we'll see how to create custom GET APIs to retrieve data from the Drupal database. Once the module is installed, navigate to the Configuration tab in your Drupal admin panel. And select Mini Orange Custom API. You'll be redirected to the Create Custom API tab. Click on Create Your First API button to begin. Under Create API Endpoint, enter the required details such as API name, HTTP method and endpoint URL. Next, choose the authentication provider to secure your API. Here, we select REST API authentication. Now, choose the source from where the API will fetch data. For now, we select Database Table, which allows us to fetch data directly from Drupal database tables. Next, select the specific tables you want to include in your API response. Next, select the required columns and click on the Save API button. After saving, a success message will be displayed, confirming that your custom API has been created. Copy the generated API endpoint URL for testing. You can test this API on any platform such as Postman. So we will show how to test this on Postman. Open Postman, select the HTTP method as GET, and paste the API endpoint URL into the request field. Postman sends the request, and if everything is configured correctly, you'll receive a 200 OK status with the API response. If you want to import code in your own language, here you can see the code icon, and choose any of the language, then you can copy and import it. Thank you for watching. Experience a full-featured 7-day trial to explore our custom API module as per your use case. Request your trial by emailing us at drupalsupport@securify.com.